Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade very tasty. First, select 6 to 8 ripe, juicy lemons. This is crucial for a vibrant flavor. You'll also need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water. Having these simple ingredients ready is the first step to a refreshing drink. Make sure your pitcher and juicer are clean and accessible. This foundational preparation sets you up for success in creating a delightful beverage. The secret to perfectly balanced lemonade lies in the simple syrup. Combine your 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Do not boil it, just warm it enough to dissolve the sugar. Let the syrup cool completely before moving to the next step, as hot syrup can affect the lemon's fresh taste. Now for the main event. Juice your lemons to get approximately 1 cup of fresh, vibrant lemon juice. Strain it to remove any seeds or excessive pulp. In a large pitcher, combine the cooled simple syrup with your freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then, pour in the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure all the flavors are evenly distributed. A good stir makes all the difference for a consistent taste. For the best experience, chill your freshly made lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a truly refreshing drink. Serve it over ice, perhaps with a slice of fresh lemon or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance. It's perfect for any occasion. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.